Hey guys, so as many of you know, this episode or these episodes are from last year. This is almost exactly a year ago, and I just wanted to say that this episode is going to be a lot about Millie. She is growing, she is doing great, she is a true boat child, and here we are going on a delivery and we're bringing Millie on it, and she also has a lot of learning and a lot of new expressions and a lot of new words, and everything is sort of coming out in this episode. So if you're not a kid person, kids on boats, like, don't bother commenting on like, I don't care about kids on boats, then just don't watch this one. Either way, it's a little bit of spearfishing. It is some fun times, but our Bahamas season for 2023 is here, coming to an end. So stay tuned and be prepared for some real cuteness. What did you do? Oh my God. How are we going to wash this off?
Hmm?
How are we going to get this off you?
Wash hand?
Yeah, it doesn't help.
Wash hand?
I was editing and I thought she was doing fine. She was messing with something, and oh my God, how did I not see that? I hope you didn't draw on anything else. What did you, what?
I do.
Did you draw?
Yeah?
Yeah, on yourself.
Fish?
Look at this. Look in your belly button.
Huh?
Let me see your lips.
Clean?
Honey.
Clean?
Oh,
Clean?
I don't know if that's possible. We're going to try though.
Clean?
Yeah, we're going to try to clean.
Clean.
I've actually heard that hand sanitizer removes permanent marker from whiteboard. So I'm thinking that's where I'm going to go. I don't have real baby wipes, otherwise you know that's my go-to for everything. They clean up anything other than baby butt. Let's try. Mommy's going to go get something, okay? That's baby too?
Yeah?
Okay, honey. Let's see. I'm going to get something to wash it off, okay?
Okay. Hey, yeah, minute. Mommy. Mommy, what's your eye?
We'll try on here, okay? Oh, dear God.
Don't do this, do this.
Yeah, why did you do it?
Huh?
Why did you do it?
Huh?
Seems to actually work.
Oh, what? Clean hand.
Yeah, let's clean your hands. Oh my God, this is going to take all day. Let's try the other one. This is a gel.
No, I like it.
You have to. Look at you.
Owie.
Yeah,
Ow.
does it hurt?
Yeah.
Okay, and also try nail polish remover. Okay?
Oh, wash baby.
It's pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if that works. By far the best one. Click the description below and subscribe, because I'm not going to be able to post that much anyway, so I need some support to be able to keep myself motivated. Thank you. Also, any comments on what helps on markers, on babies, and other plastic babies. Thank you. Alright. Let me see you. Let me see your foot. Okay. We all done? You looking good? Let me see your hands.
This one.
This one too? Oh yeah. Gotta wash that one, okay? Alright. Well, good morning. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. Cody's work as a captain is like playing a game of work roulette, never really knowing when duty will call, especially with Mother Nature throwing curveballs. This time, the call came so fast they didn't have time to fly an extra crew, resulting in Millie and I going to compensate for one. And thus began the saga of Millie's first ever boat delivery gig.
What'd you say?
I said, well, he's got a ukulele on board, so it's probably going to be which is a problem.
The ukulele's a problem?
Yeah.
Why?
He needs a guitar. He's missing.
Oh, he doesn't have.
No, so all we have is a
enough.
Ukulele on board, and
Yeah.
I don't know if that's going to be good enough for me.
They have high standards for deliveries. Cody's watching our video.
I didn't realize we posted
I like your
one.
support, man. Up top.
I didn't even realize we posted one. Absolutely nothing.
How involved he is.
I was at a playground.
I'm gonna involve him more.
I was involved in a playground.
People up and up here.
Ready?
I do here.
Ready to go. Millie has been so excited. We're a little delayed, but we're about to head out. You knew it?
Welcome aboard.
No, this one.
Is that stress and menopause do not go together.
Here we are on a catamaran delivery. It's a new life. We never really rent catamarans. Cody has. This is new. Yeah, you see the waves? This is a pretty comfortable boat, huh? Yeah, go pizza. Right, after a successful overnight sail, we are in Freeport and we're gonna make a quick fuel stop. It's not a lot of wind. We're going dead downwind as of now, so hopefully it switches enough to where we can sail up along the Gulf Stream. But we had a good night. This is a comfortable boat. Haven't sailed catamarans in a long time, and definitely different and definitely comfortable downwind and with swell and everything. Millie's having a blast, doing a little breakfast Danish routine. What about me? Cody's getting ready to dock with Captain Jack, and we'll be out at sea soon. This feels so good to just sail again a little bit, even though we have the engine on, so it's not really sailing. But what are you doing? Get down from there. Oh, stop.
Mommy duck. Mommy duck.
You want a snack?
We set sail from Nassau, made a pit stop for fuel in Freeport, and just when we thought we had become human lightning rods thanks to a wild little squall, we miraculously made it through unscathed. We settled into a cozy watch schedule, as I would call it, not used to having 3 crew on passage, and with plenty of good food and company, we sailed merrily along the Gulf Stream toward North Carolina.
Almost there after a storm, and almost thought the wind stuff got taken out by a lightning strike. But it came back, so that's a good wind thing, wind meter. And then another 12 hours, probably 15. So yeah, good first delivery, huh, Mills? Having fun? Yeah,
No.
PJ still? Okay.
Oh, Pinky.
Yeah, you got PJ on. Oh, okay.
I have it.
No, you don't?
Oh, ticket. Oh, we'll be broke.
full. We went out to lunch, and Millie just fell asleep. We're gonna have to get a rental car, go to the airport. Our flight leaves at 5:15 in the morning. So now it's about 6 p.m. and we need to sleep. I'm just gonna keep up this night watch routine for like one more night, and then we're gonna be back to our boat. How you feel, Cat?
She's out.
What happened? What are you doing? I'm out.
She is out.
Is this your spot?
No.
No. So why are you laying here if this is not your spot?
Huh?
This is Mommy's spot.
No. Oh, Millie.
How's the passage?
Smooth.
You wanna just clean up this place a little?
Yeah. Get
And,
ready to head back to our boat.
Mine.
Very early in the morning, honey. Oh. Change that.
Help.
Huh? Change
Oh, that flip.
what?
Flip.
Flip? You did a flip? A front flip? Yeah, you don't have to do another one. You're
No.
Daddy's been up all night driving the boat in the storm. We gotta be nice to Daddy. Dude, he's tired and he's cold, okay? Good job.
My little one?
Huh? Oh, big apple.
That's a big airplane too.
2, 9, 3. 4.
Now there's 4 airplanes?
Yeah.
After enduring one final long night, we successfully made it back to the Bahamas, reuniting with our cruising buddies in Hopetown just in time for Easter festivities and apparently also just in time for the next weather window to leave. Our Bahamas escapades were coming to an end, and we braced ourselves for another goodbye. But first...
Bagger. We were just doing box tequila.
I feel like we got this one.
Box tequila?
Did you bring cups?
No. We have it like we're doing it like we won the Super Bowl. Where are we going next? Do we go that way or
I thought I measured. Maybe I did. Thought I had extra though. Seriously.
That's pretty good calculation,
That
babe.
is the best calculation ever, except this doesn't go to the front. I can actually tuck that in here. And actually just jam it in place.
Wow, that worked. Let's see how long it stays on.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put some stitches though, like somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty good. What are you filming now?
Mom.
Ta-da!
Yeah, I'm gonna test out some spear pulls and do some live testing.
Look at this, not me.
You're way better looking.
Look at your hair.
Does it look wild? I was told I look like a daffodil
You do.
by Bohemia today. It's because I had this on like this. I gotta shut up. Can I get a taxi?
That's sunflower.
Therese gets mad at me for being out babysitting, and
Babysitting is called parenting.
might be true, but I just babysitted, and look, she's out like a light for 2 to 3 hours, so I go spearing, and she wakes up.
I can't believe I got him a brand new spear pole, and he already broke it.
So that's how you hunt a fish. I definitely saw a couple groupers. Some good sized ones, like 10, 12 pounders. So it'll be good. Not bad for just hopping for 5 minutes.
No.
This is the first time we are sailing this boat
For fun.
alone
For fun.
for fun. Not really, we're having a head sail out, but we are sailing. And that feels good. Millie, don't fall
4-6 and
down.
10 knots of breeze.
Oh, see?
Yeah, I mean, this
Millie, or Cody actually cleaned the bottom today.
Mommy.
So I guess that also helped a little. On the way here, we couldn't even motor faster than 5 knots.
Follow it, Mom.
What?
Mommy, follow it.
Are you following? You close this?
Yeah.
This is a moment we're gonna remember.
Wow, what?
This is it.
This is it.
This year had been different. Instead of our usual whirlwind of sailing around, we opted for dinghy expeditions and land adventures with friends in Hopetown. With the season rapidly winding down, we figured it was high time for some serious chillaxing. So while it sounds a tad odd, this being our first sail alone on board our new boat, we had always had company before. But hey, even though we were closing in on our departure, we had a few more sails and loads of fun still on the agenda.
Go out